Hi, Davi here, and today we have a new episode in the art review series, and today we'll be checking out the work of Edwin Huang, or Iron Pinky. So I did find their work via the X slash Twitter sort of feed. I believe it was this space. I do think it's a good shot. It's like it looks like it could be a poster or something. It just looks really good, and it does have that fisheye effect. And I do like the curvature, the anatomy, the feet, obviously, but yeah, even though I'm not really into like super tight line work, I do like I get why people love it because I love it too, right? Looking at their illustrations here, I do it's sort of like a cell shaded technique. These are more like from the phone types of shots. I'm not sure where this one is from. They do a lot of like fan art, heavy on the Street Fighter sort of thing, like Capcom projects. Oh, what's this? So they have done work for Marvel, Capcom. I can't really see the others. MTV. Is that still a thing? Right, this one's. So I do think they have a store, so check them out. I do think they have like a Black Friday sale. So I will link this page, by the way, in the description below. So here they do have a small model of the thing they're trying to illustrate. I think it's from a game. Like it's a woman who's like a fighter. Like she's one of the first sort of heroines. This kind of mecha sort of a suited chick. But I think it's a very old game. I'm not sure. I'm not a gamer, by the way, so don't murder me in the comments. But yeah, I'm not sure where a lot of these ones are from. I do like the pose. Lots of from the top sort of shots. And they're really good at foreshortening the legs. Have you noticed? Even with the Chun-Li, the recent one, pretty good. But again, look at the rendering. It's cell shaded, no textures. It's just like a basic hard round brush, and lots of like layering involved. But it looks good, and they do try to fill in the full sort of canvas. Well, it does make sense because they are. I think they're selling like prints, like full prints, so it kind of makes sense. The Midnight Carnival. What the hell is that? She saw it. Wait, I feel like I've seen her before. Maybe in some kind of fan art. I'm not even sure. Another is this no is this Chun-Li? I don't think it's Chun-Li. I think it's the feet one, Jury or something. Oh, Last Airbender, right? Or Avatar. So their style is pretty consistent, which I do like because there's more like your expectations are being met, so there's no surprise. But it's the kind of consistency that looks good because you can be consistent, but you suck. But like it just shows you that this person has their process sort of locked in. And once you have like a locked in process, like it's over. Like you can just keep pumping out concepts, artworks after artworks, and it's just like you're unstoppable at this point. So this is one of my favorite characters from the Darling in the Franxx anime. Wait, is her name Zero Two? Oh yeah, I think it's Zero Two. Darling, darling. By the way, I like the Japanese version better. It's much more like endearing and hot. Demon chick, right? Kind of. So this one, oh, this one's from the My Dress Up Darling. Oh, I do like the fact that they're adding the where the character is from and who the character is. So it's My Dress Up Darling from the anime, or it's Marin Kitagawa from My Dress Up Darling. And you can see, I guess they're selling their prints on ironpinky.com. Okay, oh, this is from the, where is it? Faye Valentine from Cowboy Bebop. Even their anatomy is sort of the same as well, right? And again, with the top-down shots. Pretty cool. What's this? Wait, it looks like, is that a tablet? Does LG have a tablet, or is their screen just sort of bent down? So obviously this is Wonder Woman, right? I think it has to be her with the whips. Okay, so what is this? Is it Marvel, Captain America, Iron Man, Wolverine? Interesting. I think that's him. And this is like a friend, girlfriend, not sure, sister. So they definitely do boots. There you go. I do like this one. And I do think they like legs a lot. Because I think it's pretty well, of all the body parts that are sculpted pretty well, I think Edwin has a little bit of a thing for the legs. Maybe, oh, who's that one with the volleyball? Wow. Shit. Like this one, hopefully you can see it. Like this is where it's at, guys. The one with the purple hair with the Mikasa volleyball, right? Look at that back shot. Jesus, mother of Mm-mm-mm. I think it's good than ever. Even those arms look great. The biceps, like showing some great musculature. Right? Who's the girl in the back? The one, the one with the who's benching, or it's not some kind of powerlifting move. The one with the blonde one with the light blue sort of. I'm not sure where these are from. Capcom. They're all like athletes. Obviously, Chun Li is gonna be the main one. Oh, is that Brazil? Stiga? Oh, that's like a ping pong brand, right there. Yeah, I'm liking the the volleyball one. Wow, gee, cell shaded, right? And it's so consistent. Like, there's no. It's a really finished looking piece. I mean, by the way, you could like take each of these characters and sell it as a sticker. I've seen other artists do that. And it's extra money, and obviously it makes everyone happy, right? Having this thing in your laptop, in your car, in your bag. Okay, let's move on. Wow, this is like really odd. Easy. Oh, what's this? So it's a print of Chun-Li versus, I forgot her name, from Spy Family. This is from the game, a recent game, Stellar Blade, right? And even the anatomy of the face, they have like a similar. Oh wow, this. So it's a figure. Damn, Stellar Pack. Oh, yeah. Oh, they do sell the sticker versions. Interesting. Okay, that looks so fun. So they do a lot of like conventions. So if you're interested, you could try following their work. An example of their sticker right here, life size. Interesting. Damn, again, those legs are just freaking huge. Even the calves. Christ. So who's this? Multiple arms? Oh, it's from One Piece. It's Nico. What does it say? Robin? Interesting. There's so much potential there in terms of armpits. Even the knees look great, right? So they are using an. Oh, I think they're switching between. Perhaps they have the LG screen monitor behind the XPPen. It's kind of hard drawing this way because I feel like the keyboard is in the way. Because I don't think they have an arm for their tablet. I think it's just on the. Maybe they have like a big desk space, but the keyboard is kind of bothering me. Like, how do you like have space? Because my keyboard is sort of like a good portion of it. Sometimes it's under the tablet, so you can't see it. But yeah. Oh, another Chun-Li. Damn, look at those abs. Okay, that thigh gap is too much. Well, it's not a bad thing, but yeah. Very the anatomy is convincing as hell. And the cell shading, the storytelling here, and they do like doing the whole fisheye thing again. It's great for like point of view types of shots. Oh my god, so cool. This one's from an anime, I forgot. Dungeon Meshi something. Oh, this one is a jury. Missed opportunity here because that's not what she's known for. There's another thing she's known for. Oh, this one's from Hero Academia. Another sticker. So yeah, I just like the consistency of their style and the anatomy, of course. Very muscular. That's kind of their thing. Oh, is this a process video? I'm not even sure. But look at that. Oh, they do have a little bit of a gradient. Whenever you do these sorts of cell shaded like techniques, they still add a bit of a gradient. Like, it's not totally flat. And I guess that helps with the lighting, but also helps add a bit of volume, because if you just do cell shading and no like gradients, it can look a bit flat. So I guess it's a subtle way of adding a little bit more of a 3D effect or volume. Oh, this one. This is where it's at. Oh no, look at them ducks. Okay. So Street Fighter 6, it's Juri Han. Mother of God. Look at that. Oh, so yeah. Gosh, you know, this it's a kind of artwork that I typically don't indulge in because oh, this is from Final Fantasy maybe. Hopefully I'm right. It looks like it. She looks like a famous character. Look at that. Oh, the torso sort of twisting and the abs showing a little bit. Oh, it's so clean and just perfect. You know, whenever you do stickers, you do have to be clean. You can't be impressionistic or sketchy, which is kind of the downside for me. Because that's obviously what I typically do. But if you can do something like this, it's gonna be so worth it because you can like mash it up with a bunch of other characters, or you can just leave it as it is and make it like a sticker, you know, by deleting the background or making the background like transparent. It's gonna be so cool. Look at that. Even the hair looks nice. Oh my god. Oh, this is the avatar, but the other version, the new one, where she's like the reincarnated version of the avatar, right? Look at that. Oh yeah, so that's it for this art review of Edwin Huang. I do recommend you check out their work. It's right here. So he does a lot of prints. Check out Iron Pinky. And if you're into like visiting conventions, I think he's a regular at doing this sort of thing. But if you're interested in this kind of artwork, even if you don't necessarily like do the kind of line work they do, I think composition, they're pretty good at it because they can fill up a page pretty well, where it doesn't feel empty in any way, right? Kind of like Kim Jong-gi. You know how Kim Jong-gi can like fill up a page and not make it look boring, even if he doesn't necessarily plan it from the beginning. Like he just knows which, like it just looks good in the end for some reason. Oh my god, who is this? Thanks, Iron Man. There you go. So that's it for this art review. Check out their work, and I will link the link, by the way, in the description below. And I'll see you in the next art review. Bye!